Hello. Today we will be discussing how to turn on a fireplace, a gas-fired fireplace, when the power goes out. If you normally have a switch that turns on the fireplace on the wall, and the power goes out, you can't use this switch to turn on the fireplace anymore. But with a lot of gas-fired fireplaces, there's a unit that you can add batteries to that will fire the ignition and open the valve to start the fireplace. So I will be showing you how to open this fireplace up to perform that action to get that fireplace lit. So I'm going to take this, so we have this Heatolator model fireplace. So the first thing we do is take off the protective grate. Set this off to the side. Alright, now we can see under the fireplace. Get some light on here. So we can see the battery pack right here. I already have batteries in it, but you're not supposed to leave batteries in it when the power's on. So what I did was I removed the this plug from the wall because I have power now, but I want to demonstrate it without power. So I removed that from the wall. My case was melted. It was melted, so that's what it looked like when I opened it up. And I had a blown fuse, so I had to come over here and replace this fuse right in this. And what I replaced it with was this. I replaced it with this Bussmann fast acting fuse. Got it from Lowe's, 5 by 20 millimeter. And it covers 3 amps up to 250 volts. Okay, so once I got that replaced, we can come over here and you can hit this button. I believe we are in the we need to be in the on position. So for me, the on position is over here. Then you can hit then it'll start up. And I believe I need to, oh, it turns on the pilot light for me. And then the flame comes on. So that's how we do it. So if you have any suggestions on how to prevent that cover from melting, then let me know in the comments section. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.